It is safe to choose hub-centric 4-lug to 5-lug wheel spacers. By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, hub-centric wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Hub-centric wheel spacers are designed to fit perfectly around the wheel top, ensuring that the wheel's weight is evenly distributed across the top and not the wheel stud. This minimizes the risk of vibration and ensures a better fit. And for lug-centric wheel spacers relies on the lug nuts to center the wheel, which can lead to vibrations and less precise alignment. Making hub-centric wheel spacers generally considered the best option, especially for high-speed driving or demanding conditions. Good hub-centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific load requirements. BONOSS supports 4-lug to 5-lug wheel spacers with hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the BMWs fit the corresponding hub spacers. This effectively ensures a firmware connection and better load transition. When it comes to the safest 4-lug to 5-lug wheel adapters, always choose the genuine brand set. Certainly, reputable manufacturers recognize conventional wheel spacers. A genuine brand becomes popular because it was developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and factories not only use processes that have been proven to be safe. The safest 4-lug to 5-lug wheel adapters go through many safety tests before leaving factory, such as impact stress, tensile strength, and hardness. That's all for today's video. If you need this 4-lug to 5-lug conversion wheel adapters, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye-bye.